Downloading Sage 50 for accounting in 2024 is a straightforward process that can streamline your financial management. First, head over to the official Sage website. Look for the products section and select Sage 50. You'll find options for different versions, so choose the one that best fits your business needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Download button. You may need to create an account or log in if you already have one. After that, follow the prompts to download the installation file. Make sure your system meets the software requirements to avoid any hiccups. Once downloaded, open the file and follow the installation instructions. You'll be guided through the setup process, including entering your license key. After installation, take a moment to explore the features. Sage 50 offers robust tools for invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting, perfect for small business owners like us. And that's it. You're all set to manage your accounting efficiently with Sage 50.